What's up, Kids Who's Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have a product from Treblab. They were kind enough to send me out their Fx100 Bluetooth speaker. So pretty much this says it's extreme Bluetooth speaker with a power bank. It has up to 35 hours of playtime. It has IPX4 water resistance, built-in mic for calls. It's Bluetooth, of course. It has 10 watt of power, passive subwoofer, power bank, 7,000 milliamp battery, 7,000 milliamp battery. So this is a Bluetooth speaker / power bank. So I'm gonna open it up real quick and I'm gonna show you what it looks like and test it out real quick. Connect it to one of my devices, test it out for you. So just bear with me. Here is the product. It's in my hand. This is what it looks like. It is a rugged speaker, as you can see, because it is for sports. It's for outside, just chilling outside. You could put it, spray a little water on it. It would be okay. Let me get the rest of things out of the box. Okay, so now you do get your cable. You get your carabiner clip, because you can hook this to your speaker and hook it to your backpack right here, so on and so on. Then you also get your USB-C to USB cable, as you can see. So now I'm going to show you a walk around the speaker. So this is what it looks like. It feels good in the hand. It has a lot of rubber areas on it. So pretty much these are speaker grills all around there, so you should get good sound. You should have good sound. This side is where your USB charging port, your power bank would be to charge up other devices. I'll show you that in a minute. And this also takes phone calls, as you can see. So you would power it on like this, and it says power on. Bluetooth mode. So it's on Bluetooth mode. I'm going to grab my iPhone 13 Pro Max and I'm going to connect it to Bluetooth so we can check out the sound and see what it sounds like. So it's turned on. All you want to do is go to your Bluetooth settings, and as you can see here, it found it down there. I don't know how well you can see it, but that says Treblab. You want to connect it. Connected. Just like that, you are connected. So now I'm going to show you. It'll charge those, because pretty much it should charge anything that you can plug into it. And just like that, there, look, it's charging my Google Buds Pixel 6 Pro case from my just from the Bluetooth speaker. That's cool to me. So that's neat. So now let's go on and test out the sound. Let's see what it sounds like. I'm going to find some copyright music, some non-copyright music on YouTube, so I don't get any strikes. Pretty much you can set the speaker up like this, or you can set it flat. You can stand it up this way, or you can stand it up that way. Like I said here, this is how you would take your calls. And then this here is where your power bank is held, right in here, which is very nice. Like I said, that's very nice. So this will come in handy, and I love the way it feels. It's rugged, so if it drops, you should be good and protected. So now I'm gonna find some music on YouTube so we can get this going. Let me find something that is non-copyrighted music so we don't get in trouble. Let me see here. Type it in real quick. Alrighty, so pretty much I am connected to the Bluetooth speaker. Now we're just going to test out the sound real quick, see what it sounds like. Okay, so this is how you turn the volume up. Okay, so that's what it sounds like, and that's very nice because it's coming from.
Start selling online with Shopify.
That's very nice because the sound is coming from all angles out of your Bluetooth speaker, and I really like that. So this is neat. No LED lights, but this is what it would sound like if you were to turn the speaker up. If you were to sit the speaker down. Sounds good to me. You know, not too bass. No, you don't get much bass, but this is not a bass heavy Bluetooth speaker, you know. They did send me over a speaker that has a lot of bass, and I'll get into this one a little later. But this is just their rugged one, more for durability when you're outside and just want to listen to some music. You're hiking or biking and you want to listen to some music, but you also want to have access to a port to charge your devices. So this is mainly what this is for. And to me, it sounds good. Like I said, nothing too bass heavy. So if you're looking for something that's going to put off a lot of bass, I wouldn't recommend the Fx100. But now if you're somebody that just wants something to listen to music on, that's outside a lot, but maybe he's around water every now and then, this is the speaker for you, because you can spray water and so on with it. I wouldn't immerse it in water, but you can spray water in it. Maybe you can get in the shower with it and set it up somewhere. And if it gets a little damped, you should be good to go. So that is why they put a little cable here, so you don't get this wet since it charges other devices. And then you get this little cable here. This is like an auxiliary cable, so you can plug it into your phone or your car, I believe. But as you can see, like I said, you get all these. All of these are this is speaker, nothing but speaker grills. So no matter which way you lay the speaker, you will get good sound from it. So like I said, you can stand it up in this view. You can stand it up like this or like this, and you will be good to go. So now let me try to find another song that we can try to check out real quick. I want to make sure I get some non-copyrighted music, because I don't want to get I don't want any trouble on my channel. No copyright background music, so hold on, let's let that play. I'm gonna turn that down because I don't know if there's anything I could get in trouble for in that ad. So once that ad is done, we'll test out this other song and let's see what it's talking about. So hold on, let's see here. Let's see what happens. This is what I'm okay. So that's a little song you get. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. My bad, it's hot in here, so I am sweating. Like I said, it's not bass heavy, so don't be expecting to pick this up and have it bass heavy, because it's not going to be. It's nice. It's nice and simple. Clear sound, you know, not too muffled, not too muffled at all, But now I want to go to their website and show you how much this will cost you if you wanted to pick it up from their website. And yes, I will drop a link to their website and to Amazon if you want to buy it from Amazon, and if you want to buy it from their website, you can do that. So let me find the speaker that I have. So this is their website though. I just want to find the speaker that I have, which is the Fx100. Let's see if we can pull it up here. Fx100. Okay, there it is. And this is currently $69.97. As you can see, it's on their website. It comes in black with the gray speaker grills. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and it tells you everything you get. So you get the 3.5 aux cable, like I thought, but you could buy that separate. But if you get this speaker, it'll come with it, and then, you know, the carabiner clip or strap. So pretty much that's what that looks like. Now let's go over to YouTube and test it out. Let's test out one of my videos and just see how loud it gets. Let's see how loud this speaker gets. Type in my name. Okay, so here's my YouTube channel. Let's just play this video here. And the skins they sent me over, they sent me over a white skin. And this is the, I wanted a white S22 Ultra anyway, so this will be the skin that we will be installing today. Not too I also bad have this skin here, and then a matte black skin that I'm probably not going to use yet. Pretty much, but these skins I'm going to put in skin. Unboxing and a sound test and a walkthrough of the Treblab Fx100. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.